Hey everyone, welcome to our tutorial on how to make a deposit with your credit or debit card into SolidTrust Pay. My name is John, and today we'll be going over how to add a credit card to your profile, how to verify your card, and how to make your first deposit. First, you'll need to add the card you want to use to your SolidTrust Pay account. You can do that with either a Visa or a MasterCard. To do this, sign in to your SolidTrust Pay account. I'm already signed into my account, so I'll proceed to register my card by going through to the heading Banks and Cards, then select Add New Card. Fill in all required fields, such as the name that's on the card, the card number, card type, and the expiration month and year. For the area that says ST Pay card, you only need to fill this out if you have purchased a SolidTrust Pay international debit card. Please leave this blank if it doesn't apply to you. Once the fields have been completed, select Add Card. It's worth noting that you can add up to 3 cards to your account. Any cards that you have previously deleted are stored and will count towards your 3-card maximum. If you are getting an error that tells you that you can only have 3 cards in your account, please contact customer support via the link in the video description. Also, if another ST Pay user has already registered the same card you want to add, you won't be able to attach it to a second ST Pay account. If this is the case, please contact customer support with the username that the card is already attached to, and we'll do our best to help you out. If you do not remember the username of the other account, please provide the first 6 and last 4 digits of the card, as well as your email address and first and last name. Now that the card has been added, you're going to deposit funds into your SolidTrust Pay account by going to My Money, Deposit Funds, Cards. Read the page and fill in all required fields, such as the currency, amount, the card you wish to use, the CVV, which can be found on the back of your card, and your secondary password. Your CVV number is never stored, and should you need to make changes to your secondary password, it can be edited under the security heading. Next, read and accept the terms that are outlined by checking off the boxes and click Deposit Funds. Review the confirmation page carefully. Once you've read the information and ensure that it is correct, click Confirm. Review the verifications page carefully. Notice that there are 2 ways to verify your card: auto and manual. To verify your card automatically, deposit funds if you haven't already done so by going to My Money, Deposit Funds, and then Cards, and return to this page and click Verify Micro in the status column. Micro verification, or MVP as we call it, is a great way to verify your card and to be approved for instant clearing of credit card transactions later. If you choose Verify Micro, you're going to be asked for a micro verification amount. To find this, check your online card account or call your card company to get the exact amount that was charged by SolidTrust Pay. A small amount of less than $1 will be added to your transaction. You check your online banking and subtract the amount you meant to deposit from the amount you see on your bank statement. For example, let's say I meant to deposit $30 into my SolidTrust Pay account, and I check my online banking and I see a charge for $30.10. 10 cents has been added on, so 10 would be the micro verification amount. Another example, say you meant to deposit $7.99 and your online banking shows a charge for $8.40. Your MVP amount would be 41, since 41 cents was added to the transaction. Normally, micro verification is quick and painless, but there are a couple of potential pitfalls. First, there are a list of regions that must manually verify their card, and MVP does not apply. The list is available in the video description. If you're operating your account from one of these regions, you'll need to go to the Verify in the status column and upload a copy of your card statement and a photo of the front of your card. Please remember to allow time for a verification department to review your documents. This process normally takes 3 to 5 business days, but can be as fast as 1 to 2. Second, the amount that you deposit needs to match the currency of the card you attached. This means if you attached a USD credit card to your SolidTrust Pay account, then you do your deposit, you must choose to deposit USD. If there's a currency mismatch, then the micro-verification amount is distorted by the currency conversion and you won't ever be able to enter it correctly. Once your card is verified either manually with a document or by the micro-verification procedure, deposits from the card to SolidTrust Pay are instant. If your deposit wasn't successful for whatever reason, review the error message carefully and contact our friendly and knowledgeable customer support department. You can find them at support.solidtrustpay.com. The link is below in the video description. You will also find some great reader-friendly support articles with important information like operating hours and transaction timeframes. You can also keep up with the latest by following us on Facebook, Twitter, or by reading our company blog at blog.solidtrustpay.com. Thanks for taking the time to learn how to deposit into your account with your card. I hope this has been helpful, and we'll see you next time.